Welcome back to Make It with Moyaa Mondays, where we show you how to use our Moyaa products to make simple do-it-yourself recipes in your own kitchen. We want to stress that these are fun, do-it-yourself recipes, not professional formulations. We'll be showing you how to keep your products safe using natural preservatives when necessary. And for further information or more complicated recipes, please research natural preservatives. Some simple equipment is all you need to make these recipes, from some bowls and a few utensils. If you have a rice cooker at home, you can use that to melt your ingredients, or you can use a double boiler on the stove. If not, you can use a simple mason jar with a pot of warm water. Today's recipe is a Shea and Clay facial bar.
You'll need 50 grams of French clay, 30 grams of Kaolin white clay, 15 milliliters of aloe vera juice, 4 grams of Moyaa Shea Butter, and 15 milliliters of Witch Hazel. We're going to be using a natural preservative and a vitamin E. We're going to add our shea butter to melt in the rice cooker. When melted, just transfer to a clean bowl. We're going to add a couple of drops of vitamin E. We'll be using Leucidal Liquid Complete as our preservative. We get these from our friends at New World Botanicals in Oakville. It's a natural preservative. It's a broad spectrum antimicrobial that's used to help prevent the growth of yeast and mold, as you'll be using this with water. Just give that a little stir in there. Then we're going to mix our two clays together. And then we're going to add that into our wet mixture. And we're just going to put a little bit at a time. Just give it a little stir. We're going to add our aloe vera and our witch hazel. And you're going to notice it's starting to clump together. I use a little glove and I get my hands in there and we just really mix it well. You're going to start to really play with the clay and get it to all bind together, almost like you're playing with Play-Doh. And then we're going to push it into your molds. This should be enough to make 2 of the mask bars. And then you can put them in the fridge and simply pop them out.
These will fully dry out overnight and they'll fade to a light pink color. You can then simply run it under some warm water and apply it to your face in a nice layer. I use a warm cotton cloth to remove the mask after about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I like to restore the pH balance to my skin using a floral water. So we have several here to choose from. So based on your skin type, you might want to go with a calming lavender. If you're prone to acne, a tea tree oil is really nice as well. And then you're good to go. If you enjoyed this recipe and would like to make it at home, but need help finding the ingredients, you can simply go onto our website and we'll have a do-it-yourself kit available for you. We hope you enjoyed these recipes, and for more, stay tuned.